FleetNet America is a digital-first fleet solutions marketplace with over 60,000 service providers offering maintenance, roadside assistance, tires, glass, and more.
FleetNet America, first, before I describe kind of what it is, maybe a little bit about the history of it. FleetNet America was acquired by Cox Enterprises. Cox Automotive is a division of Cox Enterprises. And Cox Automotive acquired FleetNet America back in March of 2023. But FleetNet America has been a strong provider, strong brand in the parking space and the commercial fleet space for a number of years. Cox Automotive itself has been a strong provider of services for over 75 years. Folks may not know the name Cox Automotive, but Manheim, Kelley Blue Book, Auto Trader, Fleet Services, a lot of brands out there that people will recognize. And we're, thrilled to bring FleetNet into that family of brands and continue our mobility strategy that aligns with a lot of the, 5 trends that we're seeing in the commercial space right now. So what is FleetNet America? FleetNet America really is a digital-first fleet solutions marketplace. And so what that means, if we boil that back, is FleetNet America is a company that takes service providers and takes fleets and brings them together and says, how do we marry you together on your needs? So whether that be roadside assistance, tires, glass, washing vehicles, bringing fuel to vehicles, all the things that you may have in a breakdown or scheduled maintenance event. It could be, installation of upfit components out at various service areas. We can bring all that together. We have a great solution internally with our fleet services, formerly known as Dickinson Fleet Services, but Cox Automotive Fleet Services now, that has mobile technicians spanning across the country. But we also have over 60,000 service providers in our network through FleetNet America that we can tap into at any given time, making sure that we bring the highest level of quality, speed, prices, in that marketplace solution like you'd expect from a marketplace to fleets out there today.